Kyle Adams here, Director of Investment and Commercialization with ag-Biotech Bio, and I'm here with the founder of IntelliYeast Laboratories, Chris Eskiw, who just moved into his new facility here at Innovation Place. And Chris, do you mind telling me how you came to start IntelliYeast?
Absolutely. My research program is focusing on how yeast performs during fermentation, and we're really interested in optimizing this process and passing that knowledge off to craft brewers. So we went out looking for expertise from the craft brewers and started talking to them about what their needs were, where their problems were. And as we got more into the biology, the craft brewers kept telling us, hey, if there was only somebody out there who could produce this yeast for us, we'd buy it. So we started digging into this, and eventually we came to the idea, yes, we need to provide optimized yeast for these brewers to have better fermentations and give better beer products. The craft brewing community is a really fantastic community, and when we said, hey, do you want to trial some of these yeast for your beers, they were right on board with it, and the feedback has been really positive so far. Okay. We've been working with Rebellion Brewery out of Regina, and they've been using quite a bit of our yeast. And we've also been talking to other breweries like 9 Mile and Paddockwood, as well as 21st Street, to get them on board and get them interested in what we're doing.
That's awesome. And I think it's really great how you guys participated in the Opus program, and now you're starting commercial operations, and ag-Biotech Bio is really eager and happy to be supporting you.
Yeah, the Opus program has been fantastic in helping us build our network and communicating with people, and certainly the events that ag-Biotech Bio has put on over the last couple of years not only helped us get introduced to the right people, but also encourage us to get into this business realm and support our vision of what we could do in the brewing community.
That's great to see having numerous Saskatchewan entities coming together to support you.
Yeah, everybody's been absolutely fantastic, and we really appreciate ag-Biotech Bio's contribution and, again, the belief in the vision that we have.
Well, for sure. I mean, you guys are exactly who we look to support. You've participated in the incubator, you've got some good proof of concept and market traction. So yeah, the pleasure's all ours. Never mind actually seeing what your product looks like, the yeast that you've been making here.
Absolutely. It's not going to look like much. It's just going to look like sludge in a jug. But this is the business end that really turns those starting materials from the wort and the barley into that final beer product.
Okay, awesome. Let's go.
So what we have here is a container of our yeast, and this is an ale yeast strain, and there's some really healthy yeast cells in here. We're quite proud of the fact that when we grow our yeast, we usually get about 98% viability.
Okay, and what is the average viability?
We found when we do tests that their viability can be down around 60%.
Okay.
And so we're getting over 98%. If you have lots of healthy yeast, they're going to ferment faster because there's more of them.
Okay.
And because there's no sick yeast in the population, it's not going to make any off flavors, and it's going to produce that beer that you want consistently.
Okay.
Every time.
And it looks like you have some of the partner beer behind you here.
Yeah, absolutely. So one of these jugs, a couple of months back, we sent this off to Rebellion Brewery down in Regina, and they took that yeast and brewed these particular beers with them, the hazy IPA in the Kolsch style. So you can go to the liquor store, find these, purchase them, and they're using our yeast.
That's great. Yeah, it's a cool Saskatchewan collaboration story, and this might be a good opportunity for us to try them out and see how you yeast it.
Absolutely. I highly recommend those beers. Rebellion's a fantastic partner to be working with, and we look forward to building other relationships like that in the future.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Scott.